I'm Channa Daswatte, and as an advisor and consultant to the conservation of the chapel, I would like to share with you, the Trinity family, what we ought to be doing and what we are hoping to achieve with this conservation project. Almost 60 years after it was constructed, there are certain things that of course need to be conserved. To start with, the big project is the conservation of the murals. The crucifixion, the washing of the feet and the Good Samaritan needs to be conserved in a major way. In addition, there's also the wonderful woodwork that requires conservation, and that's been done with the expert hands of wood conservers from people who have worked on the ancient temples of this country. In addition to that, there are several other aspects of the chapel that need to be taken care of. One is the roof, which requires the replacement of some of the tiles, the consolidation of part of the structure, which hasn't been touched all these years. We also need to come up with a new electrical system, proper lighting. We have also seen some bad lighting that has been used over the years that has gone on to burn some of the woodwork. So we need to avoid all that, and a new system of lighting, a new electrical system and other services have to be incorporated. A new sound system will also be put in so that the chapel will be ready to serve its community for another 100 years. An important aspect, of course, of all of this work that we will be contributing to is also to make sure that the maintenance of the chapel takes place through the years. So I would like to sort of welcome and in fact encourage all of you to perhaps contribute towards a maintenance fund which will help to keep the chapel going for years to come.